Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good, thank you for asking. What's your name?
My name is Janke. What's your name?
My name is Sahiba. It's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from India.
India. Okay,
Yes,
awesome. Okay, so what part of India?
northern part.
Oh, okay, great. So, how may I help you today?
Sorry.
What would you like to do today? How may I help you?
Mm, Today I want to learn with you mm, week names with
Week,
pronunciation.
days of the week.
Yes.
Okay, so let's start with number one, obviously. Monday.
Mhm.
Monday.
Monday. Right?
Monday.
Monday.
There we go. Monday. So that's day number one. Okay. Number two, we have Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good.
Tuesday.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And number three, Wednesday.
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 Great. Number four, Thursday.
Sorry.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Very good. One more time. Thursday.
Thursday.
Good. Okay.
Thursday.
Perfect. Number five, Friday.
Friday.
Friday. Good. Number six, Saturday.
Saturday.
Good.
Hmm?
And then the last one, number seven, is Sunday.
Sunday.
There we go. Okay.
Can
Can
I can I
you?
repeat?
Hmm?
Can I
Yes.
repeat again? Okay. Monday.
Hmm.
Tuesday.
Very good.
Wednesday. Uh, Thursday.
Hmm.
Friday. Saturday.
Hmm.
Sunday.
Sunday. There we go. Very good. Okay. Anything else I may help you with?
Yeah. Uh, mm, ABC.
ABC.
Yes.
Okay.
With accent.
um,
Yeah.
with the
Pronunciation.
accent.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So would you like the phonics? So B, B.
So firstly, okay, okay.
Okay. So the first one is apple.
A, A,
B, mhm,
B,
C,
C,
D,
D,
E,
E,
F,
F,
G,
G,
H,
H,
I,
I,
J,
J,
K,
K,
L,
L,
M,
M,
N,
N,
O,
O,
P,
P,
Q,
Q,
R,
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 S,
S,
T,
T,
U,
U,
V,
V,
W,
W, W,
W. There we go. Okay, so we have W, then we have
Yes.
X,
X,
Y,
I,
and Z.
Z.
There we go. So that's the alphabet. Would you like me to type it for you?
ABC.
Yes. Can you say the alphabet on your own?
Sorry.
Can you say it on your own? A, B, C, D.
A, B,
Mm.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Perfect. Okay. So that is it for the alphabet. Anything else, or are you okay?
Yeah, actually, firstly, I speak Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Wednesday.
Yeah,
Wednesday.
yeah. My pronunciation is not good, so that's why I
Oh,
learn. Yeah.
oh, no problem. So, tell me about yourself, Sahiba.
My name is Sahiba, and I am from India. Uh, I am 17 years old,
Hmm.
and I am student. I am in 12th grade right now, and
Oh, okay.
yeah. My hobbies are reading, painting, and cooking as well.
Cooking. What do you like to
Yeah,
cook?
all things.
All things, like even
I
stuff like
like.
ranging from pizza to
No,
curries,
no, oh
anything?
no, no pizza. Biryani, chicken,
Ah, yes. Mm.
yeah, vegetables,
Mm.
rice, fried rice. Yeah.
Oh, that's delicious. I love cooking fried rice as well. I like to make it
Oh,
with um, egg fried rice, and then sometimes I
egg.
like chicken with it as well. Very
Mm-hmm.
delicious.
Yeah.
How do you make your fried rice?
Uh, you don't know?
No, I want to know how you make yours because you can make it a lot of different ways. I like mine very spicy, but I'm not sure if a lot of
Yeah,
other
yeah.
people like it.
Yeah. I cook with spicy. Yeah,
Mm. Okay, great.
yeah.
Very delicious.
You know biryani?
Um, biryani, yes, I do. We
Mhm.
also cook biryani in my country a lot. I'm from South
Oh,
Africa. We have a lot of
yes.
Indian people as well, so we cook a lot of Indian dishes.
Oh, yeah. Actually, biryani is most famous in India.
Really? So the
Yes,
most famous.
yes. All people like
Okay.
biryani, and Pakistani people like biryani.
Mm.
Yeah,
Delicious, yes.
yes.
So is it like a vegetable biryani that you like, or do you like chicken biryani?
Chicken biryani.
Chicken. Oh, delicious.
Yeah,
Like
biryani.
breast or any type of part of chicken, basically.
Ah, sorry.
The chicken, is it the breast of the chicken, or the chicken fillets, or chicken thighs, or drumsticks? What part of
Yeah,
chicken do
all.
you use? All. I love
Yes.
it.
Yeah.
Um, I actually made biryani this week on Monday. That's when I usually
Oh,
cook Indian dish. So I made biryani this week. Last week I made butter chicken.
butter
So
chicken.
yes,
Oh, just so delicious. I like it.
I like it too. All right, so Sahiba, we are always out of time. I would just like to
Yes.
say it was lovely to you. Okay, and I'll see
Thank
you
you for
next time.
teaching me. See you again. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye.
Nice to meet